Hey friends, today I'll share with you how you can easily add Dubai-inspired design to your home. Interior design in Dubai is either very modern or very classic. But one thing common in design is the warmth, coziness, and the reflection of culture. I'll be sharing 5 simple ways to add Middle Eastern design to your home. Middle Eastern design is all about beautiful geometric patterns. You see balanced circles, squares, and triangles on tiles, fabrics, and even art. It all brings out the region's rich culture. If you you can add these patterns to your home by choosing few key items, like the right-sized rug with a bold geometric design in the living room. It can make the living room look great right away. Or even you can look for Turkish lanterns or mirrors that can be used as decoration. Throw pillows with different shapes and patterns is also a good idea to add on your sofa. And if you want something bigger, hang framed art or even mirrors with a circular pattern on your walls. Here is a tip: if you're into modern design, don't hesitate at all to mix these traditional patterns with modern furniture. A sleek modern sofa with geometric patterns throw pillow can bring the perfect balance between classic style and modern simplicity. Mixing different patterns and shapes gives your space a warm, welcoming feel. Adding bold colors can really boost that energy and make the room come alive. Use rich colors like deep purple, gold, and rust mixed with warm browns and soft greens for a cozier feel. When you're adding bold colors to your space, start with a neutral base like beige or light gray to keep things balanced. For example, you can paint one wall rich emerald green or warm terracotta to create the focal point. You can also add pop-up colors with rugs, pillows, and curtains in bright shades like mustard yellow or vibrant teal. To make your walls even more interesting, you can consider wallpapers or textured paint with bold designs. With the right blend of colors, you can create a space that's both lively and luxurious. You can also achieve this look by adding textiles, which not just provides colors and patterns, but also texture and comfort to your home. Think of materials like silk, cotton, and wool, which can be used in layering rugs, cushions, and even curtains to add softness and texture. Start with your windows, for instance, and choose some nice curtains in silk or velvet to add a stylish touch. You can also add layers to make things feel soft by using throws and blankets on your sofas and chairs. In North Africa, especially in Morocco, I've seen people often paint their windows and doors in really bright colors, creating a very vibrant entrance. And then they balance it out with neutral colors and decor to keep things harmonious. That's a really great way to incorporate bright colors. Decorative pieces made with brass can add a lovely touch to your space, creating warmth and character. And don't forget about the hand-woven rugs or even embroidered fabrics. Have you ever seen a Persian rug? The detail and the craftsmanship are incredible. And since they're mostly handmade, even if you add a piece in your home, it can really change the vibe of your home. They not only bring in texture and pattern, but also add a personal touch from skilled artisans who have honed their craft over the years. Incorporating these textiles can make your home feel as cozy as a Middle Eastern home. To build on that warmth, add some ornate lighting. Using metal lanterns, hanging lamps, and stunning chandeliers can really elevate your space. These options don't just light up your space, they create mesmerizing shadows on your walls. Plus, they add a touch of elegance that makes any room look effortlessly stylish. These lights usually have detailed patterns and colorful stained glass. You can find really good ones at Global Village in Dubai. It's a grand version of State Fair where stores from multiple countries carry these crafts. To bring this style into your home, start by choosing a light that truly stands out. A striking chandelier can elevate your dining space, and you can hang a group of lanterns right above your seating area to make a bold statement. Patterned wall lights are also great for setting a mood. Just make sure to position them in places where they can really catch the eye, like over your coffee table or in a hallway. I honestly believe that using natural materials like wood, stone, and metals makes our home feel inviting and warm. They highlight their natural beauty and textures, and in a way help our homes feel more connected to nature. A great point to start would be by picking wooden furniture, like a coffee table or a dining table made with real wood. And the cherry on the top would be if you choose furniture that shows natural lines and marks of the wood, because they add a sense of authenticity to a place. You can also add a stone tabletop or a marble decoration to make the room more interesting. For metal, you can always look at things like lanterns, trays, or wall art made from brass and iron. And you guys, adding small souvenirs like pottery, woven baskets, or handmade goods can give your space an authentic touch. You can explore local artisan shops or online marketplace for the pieces that speaks to you. These materials not only make your home look better, but also adds a life to it. I love adding cultural elements to my designs as it connects you with your space and also makes it uniquely yours. I hope you found these tips helpful. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more interior design tips on a budget, and I'll see you next time.